Good day, everyone. I am Zoe Alexias from Grade 3 Acts, and today I will gonna tell you the story of Noah's Ark. Once upon a time, there was a man named Noah. Noah was good and righteous man who always did what was right and displeased God. However, not everyone in the world was like Noah. One day, God looked down and at the world and saw the people were being very wicked and not taking care of the earth. God decided to do something about it. God told Noah to build a big boat called an ark and then gathered two of every kind of animal, one male and one female, to bring with them on the ark. God explained what he was going to send a great flood to cleanse the earth, and the ark would keep Noah and his family and all animals safe. Noah and his family toiled away for many years, working really hard to build the ark. They made sure to follow God's instructions and made the ark very strong. They also collect enough food for themselves and the animals which they would need during flood. Once the ark was been completed, Noah and his family, all the animals went inside. As soon as Noah and his family were safely in the ark, it began to rain and rain for 40 days and 40 nights. Eventually, the flood water covered the entire world, but the ark floated on the water and keeping them dry. Being cooped up in the ark like that, it must have felt as if the rain was going to last forever. But Noah and his family trust the God. But Noah and his family trust and they took care of the animals and waited for the rain to stop. After 40 days, the rain did finally stop, and so Noah sent out a dove to find the dry land. The dove quickly returned, but after 7 days, the dove sent out again. This time, the dove came back with freshly plucked of olive leaf in its beak, which meant there must be a dry nearby. Noah and his family were so happy they knew the flood was almost over. Then God told them was time to leave the ark. They opened the doors. Noah's family and the animals stepped out onto dry land. They were happy and grateful for saving them. God made promise to Noah that he would never send us such a big flood again. As a sign of his promise, God put a beautiful rainbow in the sky. And from that day on, whenever it rains and a rainbow appears, people will remember God's love and faithfulness. That's all. Thank you for watching.